Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics quickly. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID or Google account on both devices and that location services are enabled. Once done, check device date/time and network connectivity because incorrect time or no network often causes token expiry. Next, open settings for privacy and app permissions and grant precise location to Maps or Find My. This prevents immediate re-expiration and prepares the device to request a fresh sharing token from the server. Now refresh the sharing token. Disable Share My Location, wait 10 to 20 seconds, then re-enable it so the server issues a new token. After that, force close the Maps or Find My app and reopen it to trigger an immediate location update. If the problem persists, sign out of your account, restart the device to clear cached credentials, and sign back in. This forces re-authentication and often resolves stuck expiry states. Make sure you wait between steps so the backend recognizes change. Finish by confirming the recipient can see your updated location. Ask them to restart their device and reopen the app so they fetch the new token. Also check for account issues like family sharing restrictions or device limits that can block updates. If sharing still shows expired, reset network settings to clear stale routes and test on a secondary device if available. If none of these work, contact support with your device model, OS version, and the exact error so they can trace the server token for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.